Okay, so I've been using this Goof Off Pro Strength remover to remove my rubber traction mat on the Yamaha FX 160 high output. And you know, as you go along, you get better and better. And this stuff is actually, I've been letting it soak, and then I've been doing this, and really it's been coming off super duper, you know, easy. Look at that. You know, I sprayed it, and I guess this stuff soaks through. And over here, I got it off too. Now, in all honesty, I probably started around 35-40 minutes ago, and now I just got to get the excess. And you know, I got a rubber plastic scraper and a metal scraper, and I'm being careful. Of course, you can use the metal. I don't care because you know, this is going to be covered, but you know, you exercise some caution, and you know, that's it. But I cleaned up this whole area over here. You know, I just keep, you know, wetting it with this remover, this Goof Off Pro Strength remover. Still got probably a little over a half a can, and I did spray on top, and then as I got better, I took this and I scored the mats, and then, you know, I sliced them a little bit, and then I sprayed the remover in there so it could penetrate better. But as you can see, this nightmare is not really turning out that bad. So anyway, we'll see how the rest of it goes, but so far I'm happy with this stuff. And if I can find a link, I'll put it in the description if you want it. Thank you.